Classic Auto Mall always seems to have a nice selection of Impalas, and today we're bringing you this 1962 hardtop that is stunning in the two-stage Nassau Blue paint that's beautifully accentuated by the thin white stripe, polished trim and rocker panels, bumpers, and badging. It gets its power from a 300 horsepower, 327 cubic inch V8 with a 4-speed M20 Muncie manual transmission. It has coil springs in the front and a 3-link with coil springs in the rear. Drum brakes are on all 4 corners. The fender skirts are a nice touch and blend perfectly with the body lines. The interior is in great condition with Nassau Blue used all around to match the exterior. If you want an Impala that looks great from every angle, check out this one from 1962. See tons of pictures and get all the details at classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.